so after the background of the study, you proceed to the statement of the problem. Okay, so this part, on the other hand, reveals the research questions that your study aims to explore and answer. Of course, you need to develop at least three questions that your study needs to address. Dahil doon iikot ang iyong research. Yun ang sasagutin mo. Okay, so these are problems related to your study. So take note of that. Kung ang research mo ay about adobo lang. You will not tell something about Sinigang. You will not tell something about Bicol Express whatsoever. Okay, so the problem that you will state in the statement of the problem must only be related to your research topic, to your research title, and to your research problem. Okay, so for simple researches, okay, so sa inyo na grade 11 students, the questions must have the format what, how, and why. So let me show you another example of that one. Okay, so I'm so sorry because I am sick. Okay, so ito naman, dito sa part na to, is statement of the problem. So what can you see here? There are three questions. And also, dito, this is your introductory paragraph. Hindi mo naman sasabihin lahat na statement of the problem, number one. Okay? Hindi. So you need an introductory paragraph first. So you will say, these are the questions that the researchers will answer, etc., etc. Okay. Oo nga pala. When doing your research, it must be in the third person point of view. Okay. So here are the questions. So not necessarily na what, why, how. Okay lang na mag-disarrange sila. So it depends on you. Okay, so the first question, why do students seek help from their parents in accomplishing their school homework? Okay, so that is your why. Okay, may isa na. And then, what are the effects of parental involvement in accomplishing school homework? Okay, you already have what. And then, how do students perceive parental involvement in accomplishing school homework? So, is it good? Is it bad? Okay, so, yun. What, why, and how. Nagkaroon ka na agad ng statement of the problem. Okay, I hope that is clear. Okay, so for a statement of the problem, dapat meron kang introductory paragraph wherein may tatlo kang questions answering why, what, and how. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so the next part of the research naman is the scope and delimitation. Okay, so this part limits the coverage of your research study. Okay, so examples, okay, coverage ng location, okay, saan ka mag-gather ng data, saan magte-take place ang research mo. Okay, participants, baka naman ang participants mo is grade 12 grade 11 students only. Tapos ayaw mo na yung ibang grade level. Okay, and then time frame. Gaano mo katagal gagawin itong research mo? And because this is only for one sem, okay, about 3 months ang time frame natin. Okay, so scope and delimitation also aims to clarify to the readers the aspects that are not included in the study. Okay, so wag kang um, lalagpas, no? Wag kang lalagpas or do not go beyond your scope. Do not go beyond your coverage. Okay, hindi kasi China, okay? You are not like China na labas-pasok dito sa hindi naman nila pag-aari. Okay, that is just hmm, an icebreaker for you. Okay, so here is an example of scope and delimitation. Paano mo isi-set ang limitations ng iyong research? So this is how. Okay, there. Okay? So, in this part, sinabi mo na kung ilan ang students or ilan ang participants. And then, okay, linagyan mo siya ng delimitation. So, nagbigay ka na ng limit. So, ano ang limit dito? So, the limit is only high school students and not elementary students, college students, okay? High school students only. Okay, so yun, grade 7 to 12. Yun na. Okay, moreover, focusing solely on high school, okay? So, you discuss as well, discuss why you limited it to that. Okay, so bakit sila lang? There must be a reason. Hindi naman pwede na random lang. Sige, fit ko na high school lang. Dapat walang college. Dapat walang LM. Okay, so, there must be a reason. And you will state that in your scope and delimitation. Okay. So, ganun lang naman ang scope and delimitation. Sasabihin mo, okay, ano yung involved sa study mo, and then ano naman yung mga hindi involved. Okay, so I hope that is clear. Okay, so that is for your statement of the problem and scope and delimitation.